Welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn about image views in Android. An image view is a user interface widget used to display images or drawables in your app's user interface. It's a versatile component that allows you to show pictures, icons, and other graphical content. To create your image view, you start with the image view tag. Here you need to specify the width and the height of this image view. I specified with 150 dp and 150 dp. Then you need to specify the ID of this image view. I'll name it as my image view. And in order to display the image you want the image view to show in your application, I'll use src attribute. This attribute sets the image resource that the image view will display. It references a drawable resource. For example, if I need to display this image in my application, I copy it and make sure that its name starts with small letters and letters, not numbers, and move it to the drawable resource folder. Paste it here and make sure that it is .png or JPEG. No capital letters allowed, and the name of this picture starts with letters and not numbers. Click OK, and this image is placed here in the drawable folder. In order to set it to this image view, I need to use @drawable folder /Android logo, and you can see this is my image. Drag and drop it here and infer the constraints, and here we go. This is our image view. Let's move to the main activity.kt file, declare the view, then initialize it. Let initiate var my image view. It's of type image view, and let's move to the onCreate after importing the class of image view. Click on import class, and here I need to initialize it. My image view equals to find view by id r.id.image view. After referencing the image view to my image view object, you can further customize it. Load images from various resources, the internet or the device's storage, and perform various operations such as image manipulation, animation, and interaction. To set the image programmatically, you can use setImageResource method or other methods provided by the ImageView class. For example, I have this image, another image. Let me copy it inside drawable folder and paste it. And here I need to make sure that the name of the image doesn't contain any capital letters and it starts with letters and not numbers. Kotlin with android.png. Click OK and let me open it. And here we go. This is our second image. Now, I want from you to focus with me. When the user clicks on this button, I need to change the image view displayed from this to this. Let me show you guys. Set on click listener. This is the lambda expression. Here I need to execute the code when the button is clicked. So my image view reference dot set image resource method r.drawable folder dot what is the name of the new image that we need to display it? Kotlin with Android. So here I use this method set image resource to set the image and display a new image programmatically. Let me run our application. Here is our image view. If I click this button, toast message will display and another image will be displayed. Congratulations guys, we learned about image views in Kotlin.